Hi guys, my name is Audrey and today what do you think we're gonna make? Guess! I'll give you some seconds. Okay, time's up. We're gonna make a clear glue slime. If you got it right, give a thumb up. And today we are gonna use these items. First, we need a clear glue and a baking soda. Oh, I'm not gonna put colors in it. And this is a sparkle. These are some of the sparkles. Take a look at it. You need a straw in the cup. And if your mom and dad are trying to trash away like these small toys and stuff, then get them little two toys and put them in the slime after you're done. And if you just don't want to make colors and just a little bit of colors, you can get a marker and make dots on them. Okay, let's get started. First, you need a cup. In the cup, you put. He's really funny. Okay, then let's put the glue into the bowl. Not that. Not too much. Just a little bit. And then let's close the glue. Next, I'll put the most ones in it into slime. Into the glue. Okay, I think I'll put glue from the big one. And then next, I'll do the blue one. You need a baking soda. Okay. Just 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Only 1 teaspoon. Just a little bit, please. And mix. So pretty. Next, we need our baking soda. Our soft flow. If you have activators, you can make it with activators or soft flow. Little at a time. Whoa. Now I'm ready to touch my slime. Take the slime off. That makes slime in the first. Whoa. It's just for fun and to get out all the stress you have. So you don't have any stress and you get more energy. After you're done, make your slime nice and flat. And if you want color, then you will have a marker and make some dots. A little bit more dots. Ready, set, go. They're turning kind of pink. Gonna make a ball. Whoa. I think I need a little bit stuff. Oh yeah, bad. bad idea. Cup. And just the paper to wrap it. Okay. First, to get all your charms, put your slime into the container. It sounds like a fart when you put it in. Done. Okay, now I'm gonna load it. Paper. Now we are putting our slime on the container. One you have. Make sure that your slime doesn't dry, or else you can't play with this. This is the ending of the slime video. Bye guys, see you next time. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time I won't use them on me.